In this video, we are going to study about the defects of vision under the chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. In previous video, we have studied about myopia, right? Now we will know more about hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is completely reverse of myopia. Hypermetropia is also known as far-sightedness or long-sightedness. A person with hypermetropia can able to see far objects clearly but cannot able to see nearby objects clearly. For example, for normal vision person, the near point is 25 centimeter, right? So they can read a book comfortably with 25 centimeter in distance. But a hypermetropic person should keep a reading material behind 25 centimeter for comfortable reading. It happens because if there is an object, the image will be formed in behind the retina. It is caused due to two reasons. The first reason is if the lens is too much thin, so that the focal length will be greater and the image will be formed behind the retina. The focal length will be more, so that the image will be formed behind the retina. And the second cause is if we consider this as normal vision, as the light rays are converging on the retina, so that the image will be formed on the retina. But in hypermetropic vision, the focal length remains the same, but the eyeball itself is small. It seems that image is formed behind the retina. How it can be corrected? So now for a hypermetropic person, when light rays are refracted, it converges behind the retina, right? So we need them to converge soon, so that the converging lens is used. The converging lens is convex lens, so that the convex lens helps light rays to converge soon on the retina, so that the image will be formed on the retina. So convex lens is suggested for hypermetropic vision. In our previous video, we have studied about myopia, right? Now let us differentiate between myopia and hypermetropia. Myopia, it is also known as nearsightedness. A person with myopia can able to see near objects clearly but cannot able to see far objects clearly. Hypermetropia, it is also known as far-sightedness or long-sightedness. A person can able to see far objects clearly but cannot able to see nearby objects clearly. Myopia, image is formed in front of the retina, whereas in hypermetropia, image is formed behind the retina. Myopia is caused due to excessive curvature of eye lens or elongation of eyeball, whereas hypermetropia, it is caused due to the focal length of the eye is too much long, or eyeball itself will be small. So myopia can be corrected through concave lens, that is diverging lens, but hypermetropia can be corrected through convex lens, where it is converging lens. Thank you.